Ever dreamed of that backpacking trip across Europe, or maybe sending money back home to family? But the thought of confusing exchange rates and hefty bank fees has you feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into whether YouTrip can be your go-to for sending money overseas. YouTrip, the popular multi-currency wallet, has gained immense popularity for its ease of use and competitive exchange rates. But can it truly handle all your international money transfer needs? We'll explore its features, limitations, and ultimately help you decide if YouTrip is the right choice for your overseas money transfers. Key features of YouTrip for overseas transfers. Wide range of currencies. YouTrip supports a diverse range of currencies, allowing you to hold and spend in multiple currencies directly from your app. This eliminates the need for multiple bank accounts or physical currency exchanges. Competitive exchange rates. YouTrip leverages wholesale exchange rates, often providing more favorable rates compared to traditional banks. This can save you significant amounts, especially on larger transactions. In-app spending. The YouTrip card allows for seamless in-app and online spending in foreign currencies. Simply top up your YouTrip wallet and spend directly using your virtual or physical card. Easy-to-use interface. The YouTrip app boasts a user-friendly interface, making it incredibly easy to manage your funds, track your spending, and monitor your transactions. Limitations of YouTrip for overseas transfers. Limited transfer options. While YouTrip excels in in-app and online spending, traditional bank transfers may have limitations or higher fees. Currency conversion fees. While competitive, YouTrip does apply a small markup on exchange rates. Withdrawal limits. Daily and monthly withdrawal limits may apply, which could be a concern for larger transfers or frequent withdrawals. Alternatives to consider. Traditional banks. Your primary bank may offer international transfer services, though fees and exchange rates can vary significantly. Money transfer specialists. Companies like Wise, formerly TransferWise, specialize in international money transfers, often offering competitive rates and transparent fees. Deciding if YouTrip is right for you. Frequent travelers. If you travel frequently and primarily rely on in-app and online spending, YouTrip can be an excellent choice. Budget travelers. YouTrip's competitive rates can help you save money on everyday expenses while traveling. Occasional travelers. For infrequent international transfers, traditional banks or specialist services might be more cost-effective. YouTrip presents a compelling option for many travelers and individuals with overseas financial needs. Its ease of use, competitive rates, and wide currency support make it a strong contender for everyday international spending. However, it's crucial to carefully evaluate your specific needs and compare YouTrip with other available options to ensure you're making the most informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.